So hey everyone, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Rich, and today we're just going to talk quickly about 360 panos created with drones and their value in real estate, and not only their value in real estate, their value to most any customers that you work with who maybe show off an interesting location, let's say. So one of my clients is Point of Rocks RV Campground located in Prescott, Arizona, and normally I stay here with my Airstream at least 6 months out of the year, and the other part of the time is usually on the road. This year was not enough road time, but we're going to make up for that in 2019. What you're looking at right now is one of the pages from Point of Rocks RV Campground. So I'm just going to scroll back up to the top here, and we'll just hit their main page. So this is the area they're located in. It's very beautiful. And under their About Us, they've got a virtual tour of the campground now. And I'm just scrolling down. And what you're looking at here, this is not a video. This is a 360 panoramic shot with a Mavic 2 Pro and then assembled afterward back in my Airstream. So multiple photos taken with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. And this came out pretty nice. I actually made this a little too large, and I think I need to shrink this one down just a bit. But at any time, if you just click on this 360 pano, you can stop the motion. You can actually see, so there is the upper loop of the campground. And if I look down here, here's the lower loop of the campground. One of the other nice things is you can actually see the lay of the land. So if you have a business that is in a very, very unique location, you might want to show that off, and it really gives people a bird's eye view, how else can we say it, of the location that they're coming to visit. And this really does help actually sell people on visiting the park. So here's another 360 pano, and this one I actually added a couple things, and I can actually add labels into those 360 panos. So we've got State Route 89, we've got Willow Lake off in the distance, there's the entrance to Point of Rocks Campground, and there's the upper loop of the campground, which you can actually see very well. And then below this is actually the city of Prescott owns this area right in here, and it's used for park maintenance for Watson Lake Park. So you can see right out there, there's Watson Lake. This gives potential visitors a really good idea of exactly what to expect when they come visit this location. Here's the campground right in here, and a short walk can get them out to the lake and get them to Watson Lake Park to enjoy, all of the amenities at Watson Lake Park, so people can go paddle the lake. You can see there's a big extra parking area here for when events happen, and a green grassy area out here. And what you can't see out here is the fact that there's a really cool disc golf course as well. But so this 360 gives people a very, very good idea of exactly where your business is and what it's located near. And, you can even get the idea. Here's the little gas station right down here at the traffic circle. So I think this is really informative and could be useful to your clients. So to show off your clients' locations and businesses, and especially with destination locations like RV parks or, amusement parks or bed and breakfasts. Maybe we really want to highlight and tout what's around the area that you're going to be staying. And these 360 panos are a great way to go at it. And then I also we've got the little Point of Rocks logo here. I also did 330 degree panos for them. And the 330 degree panos are generated with an Osmo Mobile 2. So it doesn't get the full 360, which is why I added in that little Point of Rocks banner there. So I could put this on auto spin as well and let it play it for you. But, that auto spin kind of could make you a little dizzy and woozy over time. Because, all right, if we come up to this top one, I can stop it, I can scroll around it. But in time, the motion does start to make you a little nauseous. So I don't automate all of them, and we can allow people to look around for themselves. The particular display that I'm using from Slider Revolution also allows me to pause the things and zoom in on the things. I turn the zoom off on these, but it is possible to actually allow people to zoom further into the image, and the zoom does look very good. So that's another opportunity where people can get an even closer look around the property that you're showing them. So not only for businesses, but actually seeing a location, let's say for a new home sale for real estate, being able to see a 360-degree panoramic of the neighborhood that the home is in might be a great selling point. What's really nice is there's a lot of great tools out there now where you can embed these 360 panos, as I've done on this particular website. These 360 panos are embedded, and they don't take a ton of drive space. So if you're worried about your storage space on your particular website, don't worry about that at all with the 360 panos. The tools that are out there will let you do smaller 72 DPI images that still relay the area very well for you. So if you would be interested in a longer tutorial and talk about generating these 360 panos, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I can put together how to put a 360 together. The bigger part is what software you're going to be using to display it after, what plugin for WordPress, or you can also display 360 panos on Facebook. So I'm not sure how many real estate groups out there allow for embedding of 360 panos, but it's something that you could talk to your clients about. So if you're working with realtors, you can talk to them about how they're doing their listings and see if there's room for doing a 360 panoramic of a home that they have for sale, especially if they want to show off a really nice neighborhood, show that there's a lot of room between houses. Those types of things can be well displayed with a 360 panoramic with your drone. And you don't have to have the highest end drone to generate one of these. The Mavic 1 and the Mavic 2 Pro both will handle these very well. So you don't need the highest end equipment to generate really nice 360 panos. So this can be a service offering to your clients, and if you're working with realtors, this could potentially be a service offering to your realtors as well. All right, like I said, this is going to be a short one, so I'm going to wrap this one up. Also, like I said, down in the comments below, if you would like to learn more about building a 360 pano and actually embedding it in a website, we can have that conversation in the near future on an upcoming episode. Just let me know down in the show notes. All right, everyone, have an awesome day. And as always, fly safe and have fun.